said you can't believe you haven't been making potatoes
Why
like
have
this
I not
your
been
whole
doing
life.
this?
I don't know.
I do not know. Okay, so you want to cut it into wedges. You're going to season it with salt, some garlic, and some oregano. 3 tablespoons of canola oil. You want to coat every single one of those potatoes. Separate them.
Yeah.
The airflow has to go in between all of the potatoes. 425,
Yes.
30 minutes.
Okay.
Like, that's it.
Hey.
Like, look how gorgeous that is.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
So we have this lemon yogurt sauce.
You're gonna have yogurt, lemon juice,
Oh.
garlic, and now we have our toppings: feta, cucumbers, the tomatoes, the feta, and the olives. Perfect.
Okay, so
you need a little dash of canola because we're making a dressing. A pinch of salt. We're just gonna nicely coat this.
oh, I see.
And that's it. Does that look great?
It does. It
It's
does.
so perfect. The
Okay.
secret is